In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Google Chrome browser on your Sony Bravia TV. Step 1. Check your TV's operating system. Most Sony Bravia TVs run on Android TV or Google TV, which support the Google Play Store. Step 2. Open Google Play Store. Turn on your Sony Bravia TV. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to and open the Google Play Store app. Step 3. Search for Google Chrome. Use the search bar and type Google Chrome. If Chrome appears in the search results, select it. Step 4. Install Google Chrome. Click Install to download the browser. Await for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open and use Chrome. Once installed, open Google Chrome from your apps list. You can now browse the internet directly on your Sony Bravia TV. Note: if Google Chrome does not appear in the Play Store on your Sony TV, it means Chrome is not officially supported on your model. Instead, try using other browsers like Mozilla Firefox or Puffin TV browser, which are available in the Play Store. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.